Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's video, we are going to compare a HDMI splitter and a HDMI switcher. It's not even a comparison. I'm just going to tell you what is the difference between both and how you can go ahead and utilize it. So let's not waste any time and let's go ahead and start with that. So as you can see, this is a HDMI Ultra 4K switcher and this HDMI splitter. These are the two devices. So what is the main difference in that? What a HDMI splitter does is it takes one input and makes it into two outputs. It's as simple as that. That is, you can connect one input from a laptop or mobile or anything, and you can go ahead and connect it to two different monitors, two different TVs. For example, a camera feed goes in and it comes on two different TVs. It's simple as that. That is a splitter. And what is a HDMI switcher? Here you have one output. Instead of two, you have one output and you have three inputs. You can connect a Fire TV, you can connect a set-top box, you can connect a computer, you can connect a Miracast, whatever according to you that. You can connect that and there are three inputs. You can select this manual button or by remote, you'll be able to change that and that input will be in place. Like example, the first input is this. You have Fire Stick connected, it will go to Fire Stick when you want to watch. Or else you can go to a computer, or else you can go to a Miracast. That's how it works on the TV. And that is very useful. And this one is with the remote model and this one is not with the remote model. So there are not much differences. The only thing is it makes this one in simple terms makes 1 into 2 and this one makes 3 into 1. It's as simple as that. Connect one HDMI cable over here to your TV and three inputs from different sources. Here one input from one source, and it will go to two HDMI outputs. So one output, three sources, two outputs, one source. That's the only difference between these two. Do not confuse a splitter with a switch, because when you want to go ahead and use this, for some usages this is important, like having a dual monitor or something, but for some this is important if you need more sources to be added. So do remember that this is the main difference between these both devices. So as you see now, the main difference between a splitter, that is a splitter, and a switch is it converts various sources into one output. This converts one source into various outputs. That's the main difference, and do remember that. And this one is mostly very cheap, always a splitter. But the switch is always a little bit more expensive depending on how water quality you're getting it for, because a splitter is used only to split into different sources, but it can't take the heavy load of different sources, while a switch can do that. So if you have any doubts regarding this, you can always go ahead and put a comment down and I would be able to answer for that. And if you like this video, it's a very short video, but if you like it, please do like and subscribe and keep watching my channel for more updates. Thank you for that. And this Kamal Tech Vlog, you're watching Kamal and my name is Kamal, and you have a wonderful day ahead.